This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress, and today we're going to see how we can add a variable product to a WordPress website. Let's get started. Now, what is a variable product? For example, you have a product that has different colors or sizes and you want to add it to the same product page instead of having a separate one for each color or each size. So let's start adding a variable product. Go to products, go to attributes. We're going to add a new attribute called color. Let's click on name and change it to color. Let's click on add attribute. Now let's click on color to edit this. I'm going to add a new color, that is white. Let's add another color. And now we have an attribute with three colors called color, with three colors as red, blue and white. Now let's add a product. Let's change the product type to variable product. Let's go to attributes. Click on custom product attribute and change it to color. Now let's click on add. Enable this checkbox used for variations. And if you want to select all the variations, just click on select all or choose the variation you want to add. For me, I will add all the variations. Let's click on save attributes. Let's add a product image. Let's click on set product image. Now let's add a variation. Just go to variations, click on add variation and click on create variations from all attributes. Click on go. Now if you want to set the same price for all the products, click on add variation, go to this drop down menu and click on set regular prices. Let's click on go and add the value of the product. Let's click on publish or update. Now as you can see, we have an attribute called color, in which we have three options. Now for example, I want to add image according to the color that I have chosen. For that, let's head back. Let's go to variations. Click here. Let's upload an image for the blue t-shirt. and likewise I will set the same for red and white. Let's click update and let's reload it. Let's click on red. This is blue and this is white, and this is our default. So likewise you can create many variations according to your need. So another situation is if you want to add separate pricing for each variation, you can do that as well. Just go to variations, click on the color you want to add a separate pricing for, and change the regular pricing in here. Let's click on save changes and let's reload it. Let's choose the option. Now as you can see, we have a range, and when we choose the blue, we have its original price. Now in this way you can create many variations for your product. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.